To check in for the DVC tower, you have to go to the main Disneyland reception. However, you can pick up room keys from the DVC reception. To access the garden rooms, you go past the lift and there is a hallway which leads you to the back of the garden rooms entrance. You can also access the garden rooms via the main DVC swimming pool as well. Me and Andy are staying in the garden rooms tonight, which is one of the duo studios. So I'll show you the view in a minute. So you come in the door behind. It just as a note, there is no lift. You do need to come up the stairs if you're in the second floor. And we've got like a nice vanity area, towels, etc. Your toilet is behind and got a really big shower area again with the H2O toiletries, rain shower. And then coming into the room, you've got a full length mirror, a Keurig. You do have a fridge in here as well, which is good. You've got Welcome Herbert family, and in here we've got the duo studio, so where the bed comes down and we're in a Jungle Book room. Got two little side areas. A chair, so I'll put the bed out in a bit and show you what it looks like. And then you've got Jungle Book in the background as well. We also have a balcony which overlooks the pool, so it's in a sort of separate wing to the main Discovery Tower. I shall show you the balcony later, but it will be good for one night. That's our room, and this is our view. For the first night I'll stay in a garden view room, so you can see the Discovery Tower there. Just trying to. So this is the splash pad at the DVC pool, and then over there is the main pool for the DVC Tower, and that is the main DVC Tower, and these are the garden rooms, the duo studios.